A dish from the famous restaurant chain in your kitchen. KFC chicken is a favorite of many people, and everyone tries to repeat its recipe. But very few people manage to make it as similar as possible. This recipe makes it as close to the original as possible. The breading is crispy and the filling is juicy. To cook it you need chicken shanks 8 pieces, chicken spices, about 2 tablespoons, milk 1 cup, egg 1 piece, flour 1/5 cup, cornstarch or flour 0.5 cup, salt to taste, oil for frying. The ingredients and proportions of 11 ingredients that make up the seasoning for chicken in the KFC network are classified, and the cooking method itself has not been disclosed either. But if you want the householders to prefer a homemade version to the fast food, it makes sense to experiment. I think if you combine a curry or masala mix good for cooking chicken meat with paprika, oregano, thyme, and other herbs, with garlic and peppers depending on your mood, it will be very tasty and you've got lots of room for creativity. Any part of the chicken is good for cooking: breast, wings, and thighs. I'll show cooking using shanks of chicken as an example. If you fry for a long time in deep fryer pieces of chicken, with bones, rather than tender fillets, then nothing particularly enjoyable will happen. So after the formation of a crispy crust, such pieces finish baking in the oven. To begin, mix the milk with the egg and add half of the spice mixture to this mass. The chicken pieces will be dipped into this fragrant mass. The other half of the spice mix with flour. This will be the breading. It is convenient to put it in a package. Wash and dry the chicken meat and let it come to room temperature. Dip each chicken shank first in the milk and egg mixture, and then place it in the flavorful flour mixture. Repeat the procedure one more time to make a double breading. Let the billets rest for 5 to 7 minutes and then dip into a boiling vegetable oil fryer for 5-8 minutes, depending on their size. Larger pieces may not fry in that time. So after frying, place them on a baking tray and place them in the preheated oven at 200 to 250 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes, on the grill mode for 5 minutes. Serve the finished pieces of chicken with sauces to your liking. Bon appétit!